welcome back to the channel. Today it's a rainy day and I just decide say I want to cook up a storm. I want to cook up something new. Maybe most of you guys see something like this already over a different channel, but first I go try and I don't me just come up with it and say I want to see it already and I just say I want to try. Today I want to try some beetroot pumpkin dumplings. So this are the beetroot already peeled already. Pumpkin, peel off the skin. Because I don't like the green part of the skin, so I peel it off. I want to give the dumpling a colourful look. Yeah man, and this are the flour what I'm going to use and make the dough. And alongside with it, I have some ackee, you know, national dish. And some saltfish. And the rest there, what we do, so just up to me now. We just get the ball rolling. So once you stick around, hope you guys full enjoy the video. And you know, a ackee season, so I want to make use it before. Because I know I'm soon gone back to the Canada side. So I want to eat as much as I can. You know, first I have to cut up the beetroot with the pumpkin so it can blend. I just going to use one because you know beetroot very strong with people, so I don't want to use too much and kill the taste of the pumpkin. Okay. So this is now bore the bag so the hot water can go through the bag so the ackee can able to cook. Because we know when the ackee them cook in the pot, them last in the pot, so we put in a bag. So we make one take out. So yes guys, add the saltfish in the pot. I boil the dumpling and the saltfish in the same pot. Ackee everything.
It shows brighter in the night.
We talk to them. Because you don't want the rest of people. Eh? So that's why you go on hot. It's done. Alright people, remember this from the previous video. Last time, big drum mouth open. So this time I just throw a little in one cup. Because I don't want to repeat the same spill milk. So I throw in a cup this time. It's the right amount. Yes, me people, you see what I go on? With the food.
So when dumpling alone, I put on the sauce, surprise my pop. It's the taste like the last ackee.
Nice.
Oh, they say watermelon after.
Give me a talk zucchini.
They say I'll be a watermelon after.
So you know what I put zucchini?
One share after.
Pick up food, man. And some pepper. People, first time I try beetroot pumpkin dumpling, ackee and saltfish. Health is wealth.
Kill the grass chat said.
You shot on time, man. Shot the fuck.
What the fuck?
How a bit, you seen that bit? That'll be a long time. It just may write it.